Hello again, it's Matthew and welcome back. It's now 24th of February 2017 and the time is now 7:14 p.m. Skies are very strange again today and just welcoming you back. Here is an image of a UFO. A craft, an object that was flying through the sky not so long ago, and you can see basically the shape of it, the colouring of it as well. And I've seen a lot of these same coloured, same orange sort of haze around these UFOs as well. Never going to forget the time back in 1997 when that Phoenix Lights UFO was up there with them, and also seen other objects up there as well. Balls of light that move across the sky like golden orbs. Very strange. Sometimes they move in pairs, thousands of feet high. They don't make any noise whatsoever. They are definitely beings up there. They're looking down at us every day. I'm going to go to another image and I'm going to show you some footage as well of these strange objects up there. I fully believe that they're here and they can see the Nibiru system. They can see that solar system heading closer towards us. Even now, when I look up at the sky, I can see those orbs moving around, acting like stars, and then they decide to move across the skies. So I'm going to go to another image now. Here's another strange object in the sky. I mean, look at this. Very strange. The blue skies in the afternoon, you can see it. And also those UFOs that I basically were picking up on in the skies as well. They look like cigars, cigar-shaped UFOs. Very strange, and many other people that are viewing the channel have seen these as well. Have had photos sent in by email showing me different objects. Terry, kind subscriber out there that basically sends me images in. Many other people that have sent me lots of images in of different objects as well. So it's fantastic that we're as a community standing by each other and knowing that these things up there, they've seen things. Strange objects up there in the skies. Huge asteroids as well, basically tumbling through our skies above our atmosphere every single night. So we, the observers, sky watchers that are viewing the channel, just great to know that other people that are communicating with themselves. It's just fantastic how we're all looking up to the skies. It's so important. I'm going to go to another image for you now. This is another image that was sent in by a kind of subscriber as well. Look at it. It's very strange, doesn't it? This black ball that's up there in the sky that's hovering. Very strange. I mean, I've checked and enhanced the image, and it is there. It is up there. Can't think of anything else it could be. It's very strange, isn't it? So thank you for sending that in. It's absolutely fantastic. Here again is another image that was sent in from Italy. You can see these, can't you? 1, 2, 3, 4. These are not stars. It's too bright in the sky. I know at the moment that Venus is very bright and it's shining through in the blue sky. I zoom right into Venus, and it is very much brighter now because we've got this binary twin that's basically brightening everything up. The sun that's basically still burning twice as hot, and it's going to get worse because March it's going to be at solar maximum, meaning it's going to be belting out solar flares all over our inner and outer solar system now. It's like a furnace out there. It really is very dangerous. And again, I don't believe that the International Space Station is manned. I really don't. They only put these fake news reports about the International Space Station just to keep the public happy, to think that they're doing their job. They're not. It's all radio controlled news. It's just, but let me tell you, these UFOs are real, genuine. I've seen them from my own eyes. Saw them back in October 2015, and it blew me completely away. I was wide awake since then. It really was a true eye-opener. I just thought for years that there was UFOs up there. I really did. And I see those lights thousands of miles up in the air, moving through the sky and then flying off into space, just disappearing. Turning the lights off and on, I mean, whatever it is, what's glowing up there, these things do, they dim and then they glow, disappear in the night sky. Or they just go dark and they're just there watching down at us. They really are there. Anyway, so I'm going to go to another image now. Some fantastic images. This is a fantastic, stunning formation that appears in a beautiful part of West England, in Whitesheet Hill in Steeping. And basically, I mean, look at it. It's spectacular, isn't it? This is a non-handmade crop circle. This is a genuine crop circle, as they've done there. Scientists have been down there and done the checks on it, and also the formation, and also the way the corn is twisted. It's just absolutely spectacular. You pick up energy off these crop circles as well. I've said this before in another video that I've actually been to a crop circle myself in Wiltshire. A genuine crop circle, and you get a feeling of spiritual. I mean, it's overwhelming. You feel it's kind of warm. I'm going to go to another image now. This is another strange formation, and also asteroids can do this, smaller ones as well. They can leave trails in the sky like this. This one, though, is a strange colour, isn't it? We don't exactly know what it is or how it got there, but it's very strange, isn't it? Just a fantastic image. I'm going to go to another image for you now. This is a chemtrail, okay, of chemplane going past. But can you see on the top left-hand corner here? There is an object that's there. I don't believe it's a moon or a Venus or anything else. It's the wrong time of the day, and also these beings as well go through these crop circles, and also basically they can attack the chemtrails. I've seen on videos as well with these crop circles that basically these UFO objects that fly very low across them. They've been documented a few times on different video researching. So important not to forget these past events, because it all is part of what's going on. Messages to tell us things are getting stranger up there in the skies, and also to let you know that this is incoming, the Nibiru system's incoming. So again, these orbs in the sky, these UFOs, whatever they are, they're here now. They observe us. I don't think they mean no harm. They just observe us, and they're just basically just very interesting, isn't it? Someone just, just keep observing eyes to the skies with this. This is another fantastic formation. It's a genuine crop circle as well. It's documented and hidden from the public as well, because the thing is, a lot of these new crop circles that are now basically showing around the world now in 2017, their government are basically destroying them, telling farmers to go over them and just get rid of them. Now, the thing is, it's sad, isn't it? Because they're messages for us, the public. We're going to go to some footage now, so see what these objects look like when they're live on cam. Here is another UFO on this footage. You can see this diamond-shaped UFO. This object flies through the sky in the middle of the night, hovering above us. We're all tucked away in bed, and these objects come out at night time. Look at the strangeness of the colouring as well. This object is basically being covered by all this plasma. Just moves up and around. They do these crop circles as well. It's very interesting times. And I'd like to study the skies in the summertime as well, to zoom in and see what I can find up there as well. Strange objects all the time that's up there. These objects are real, and they're being flown by these beings. These are objects from a different world. They really are. I'm going to go to another image now. Just fantastic times ahead. You see on this piece of footage as well, UFO. As this object is flying upwards in the sky, this plane will see the UFO come down to them from the left-hand side across. Can you see this now? Very strange times. Here's another clip as well of an object that's been there. You can see this coming out of the sky as well. Very strange. Can you see this now? It could be anything, but it's very strange, isn't it? I mean, these have been studied many times, coming out from the atmosphere. Who knows what it is? Very strange. People have witnessed these quite a lot of time. I'm going to go to another image now and see what we can find. This image was also picked up on the 22nd of February 2017. This orb. Now I'm going to enhance it so we can see what this shape is. Here is the object that's been moving, and also zoomed out a little bit as well. It's very strange. It's been up there in the sky. These orbs and objects are up there. I mean, this is one that's going across the sky, and I've seen these. They dim, they brighten up. We're looking right up at this object now. Just imagine it's a bird's eye view of that object looking down, so we're seeing the underneath of the object. They're just real UFOs. There's no doubt in this anymore. There's many believers that watch the channel, and I respect them fully because I've seen them myself. And anything's possible. Everything. I mean, these beings are up there. There's no doubt in it now. We'll go to a different image of this object. You can see this now, can't you? With a blue filter in front of it, and you can see inside. There's a strange sort of triangular sort of shape inside. Can you see this? These lines. There's plasma around the object as well. I believe this is the mechanism that makes it work. It's all been documented for many years now. I'm going to go to another image. Here again, this is the same object up there, and also it sort of changes, doesn't it, the detail inside. This hexagon shape, small square shape with a circle in the middle. These things fly through the sky a lot faster than any craft that's ever been made by us, humans. Just fascinating, because they're like thousands of years ahead of us, aren't they? Coming from another place, another star. Now the thing is, we cannot be the only ones in the universe. It's too big. It's so vast out there. There are things out there that we would never, and even don't imagine. Can't imagine what's going on out there. The thing is, there's technology out there that's been out there for billions of years. Huge planets like super Earths that have been detected now by NASA. I mean, it's amazing, isn't it? These beings, they do travel over here. I'm going to go to another image for you now. Here's a short piece of footage of the object as well. It's only a few seconds long. You can see this, can't you, on the video? Again, this is the ones that do the crop circles, these diamond-shaped UFOs. And I have seen these objects myself. Very strange. They basically rotate very, very fast. I'm going to show you a piece of footage of this UFO. Here is the footage of this UFO, this diamond-shaped UFO, the ones that come down and do the crop circles. The thing is, they're stationary in the sky, but look at the plasma and all the energy that's coming off this anti-gravitation. I mean, this anti-gravity. This is a huge object. But basically, these come down, as I say, from another world. Totally amazing. Absolutely stunning. I mean, it's outstanding to see these. Catch them on film as well. I mean, we all know that there are beings up there. I mean, the thing is that they know that the Nibiru system's coming. They know, and they've seen the brown dwarf star. They've had huge problems in their home planets in the past. So it's just basically keeping an eye to the skies and noticing these glowing golden orbs in the sky, because this is what they are. They come down, they send messages to us. And I believe they spray the skies with chemtrails to hide these objects. Here it is again, zoom right in. You can just blatantly see the shape of this object. And they're looking down at us every day, monitoring us and just basically checking how humanity is. Anyway, so I'm just going to be very observant all the time and keep an eye on these objects. I'm going to go now to another image. Also, there's been sightings of alien bases on these formations here. Far too square. You can see these pipings and other formations. It's all underground. I mean, the thing is, these are like rooftops and things, you know, very strange. I'm going to show you another image of this. Here's other images as well. You can see right across here. This pipeline goes into the rocks. It's far too straight, isn't it? There's another piece here. Can you see how it stops and then starts again under this rock? Very strange times. The thing is, so these are being covered up by government. They don't want us to know anything, and I hope disclosure comes soon because it's so important for the public, because we've been waiting for this for a long time now. Here's another true image of these formations. I mean, look at the squareness on here, and also this line. See how it stops and starts and goes down the crater? Stops here, all the way down. Very strange. There's lines here as well, going straight across. I mean, every image that I've noticed, to zoom in on the moon in high definition, when you try and catch these objects and these lines, when you zoom very close to the moon, it doesn't let you, does it, on the internet? It sort of blurs everything out as you get too close. So it's basically using special cameras to be able to zoom in very, very close. Because NASA will smudge screen everything to not let you look at anything. Because I believe, and many others do as well, that there has been other beings that have landed on our moon and also visited our Earth all the time. And also these huge craters are part of the Nibiru system that's attacked and basically smashed our moon, our Earth as well, and other celestial bodies. I'm going to go now anyway, so we'll do another video shortly for you to see what we can see on the cams. But have a safe evening, and I respect all of you. And thank you for subscribing to the channel. Take care and have a nice evening from Matthew Rogers.